Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam connection timeout error. The Steam connection timeout error occurs when the Steam client takes too long to communicate with Steam servers and eventually fails to establish a connection. This can happen even when your internet appears to be working normally. Common causes include a poor connection to Steam's download servers, corrupted Steam cache files, outdated network information stored on your computer, or temporary outages on Steam servers. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try to refresh Steam's connection and restore normal access without having to reinstall the application. The first method is to change your Steam download region. Open Steam and click on the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to the Download section. Locate the option labeled Download Region. Click on the drop-down menu and select a server location that is geographically close to where you live. A nearby download region generally provides a more stable and faster connection to Steam servers, which can help solve timeout issues caused by overloaded or distant servers. After selecting a new region, Steam may ask you to restart the client. Confirm the restart and test whether the problem has been resolved. If the timeout error still appears, the next step is to clear Steam's download cache. Return to Steam, Settings, Downloads. Scroll down until you find the option Clear Download Cache. Click on it and confirm the action. Steam will restart and you may need to log back into your account. Clearing the download cache removes temporary files and corrupted data that may be interfering with Steam's ability to connect and download properly. If the issue continues, the next method is to refresh your computer's DNS cache. Open Command Prompt, CMD. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. Type the following command, ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This command clears old or corrupted DNS records stored by Windows and forces your computer to request fresh network information, which can resolve connection problems between Steam and its servers. If none of the previous methods work, the final step is to check whether Steam servers are experiencing an outage. Open your web browser and visit steamstat.us. This website displays the current status of Steam services, including the Steam Store, Community, and Connection servers. If the website shows that Steam servers are experiencing downtime or maintenance, the problem is on Steam's side, and you will need to wait until the services are restored. It is important to understand that Steam connection timeout errors can be caused by multiple factors, including a busy or unstable Steam download region, corrupted Steam cache files, outdated DMS information, temporary Steam server outages, internet connection instability, firewall or network restrictions. A common mistake many users make is repeatedly reopening Steam without changing any settings. If the underlying connection issue remains, restarting Steam alone usually will not solve the problem. Another common mistake is assuming the issue is always caused by your internet connection, when the problem may actually be a temporary Steam server outage. To summarize, fixing the Steam connection timeout error begins by opening Steam, Settings, Downloads, and changing your download region to a nearby server. If the issue persists, clear Steam's download cache, run ipconfig/flushdns in command prompt to refresh your network settings, and finally check steamstat.us to see whether Steam servers are experiencing any problems. These methods help refresh Steam's connection, remove corrupted temporary data, and determine whether the issue is caused by your computer or by Steam's own servers. And that's how to fix the Steam connection timeout error. By adjusting your Steam connection settings, clearing cache data, refreshing your network information, and checking server status, you can solve most timeout issues and get back to downloading and playing your games without interruption. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.